What about web search? Can a user access web search? Web search can be activated. First, you need to enable it. You need to enable it via admin panel, setting, and web search. You need to configure this appropriately. If you do that correctly, then the user should be able to do web search as well. Here we go. Web search can be provided as RAG, as I mentioned. One of the way is to actually do web search here, right? Let me try. Who is the Prime Minister of UK? Is it going to do web search? Yes, it's now doing web search. Who is the Prime Minister of UK? Now, if I remember correctly, how many? So what we are using DuckDuckGo as a search engine. We are requesting for 5 search results. And these are the 5 search results. And somehow it's looking into MBA marketing. That is crazy. But at least it looks into Wikipedia. Search items. Top one is that's Prime Minister of United Kingdom. Here we go. And the final answer is Sir Keir Starmer. Is that correct? Is that correct? I think so. I'm not on top of is correct. Here we go. So let's assume, by the way, he just got into the Parliament in July, earlier this month. So I wonder if we search the same thing, web search. We toggle the web search off and we still use GPT 3.5 Turbo. The answer should be different. Oh well, at least it knows that it doesn't have that information. Well, not bad. Alright, so yeah, this is a way to actually enable web search. You set up with you set it up in the admin page correctly, and then you can use it. Another way to actually do related to a web, it's not a web search, it's actually RAG with web. So you can do RAG with web as well. So let me start off with Wikipedia on quantum entanglement, just to be crazy. So this is a link that I want the model to answer based on. I don't need to save it into a PDF and put it into the document. If I want to have a quick one-off answer based on the internet, I can do sharp and paste the URL in there. And now it's retrieving. It's actually pulling information from the web page, ready to be answered. Okay, let me try something about spooky action at a distance. That's a good term. So let's say, what is spooky action at a distance? Select GPT 3.5. Spooky action as a distance is it's related to the quantum entanglement, in which if 2 objects are entangled and they're so far apart. Oops, hold on. I will try it again. I don't want it to have internet access. If 2 particles are entangled, If 2 particles are entangled and they are so far apart where information cannot travel, well, information will travel at the speed of light. If these 2 particles are apart, when I observe one particle, I know right away what the other particle will be. For example, if these 2 particles are correlated in colors, if one of them is red, the other one is red, must be red. If I know this property, even though I receive one particle and the other particle is on the other corner of the universe, in which it will take years and years before the information can reach me, no matter how far that particle, the second particle is, if I receive the first particle and I see it as green, I know immediately, the information is immediate, that the second particle is also green. This is referred to, this concept is related to something we call a spooky in action. Well, I know as a physicist, but let me try it again as a GPT 3.5. So I need to turn off the internet search I did, and this is trying to do RAG based on internet, one page of the internet. What's the word again? I'm not really 100%. Spooky action at a distance. Spooky action at a distance. It's still doing internet search. Ha, sucks. Anyway, so it's a term used in the context of quantum mechanics to describe a mysterious phenomenon where particles are entangled and instantly affect each other. The concepts of knowing something when the other one is 100% known. Anyway, so this is one of the way you can use internet or website for RAG or the web search. And this is another way to access information of a web rather than using a web search. You're using RAG instead. Here we go. All right, we did this example.